Sa lineup namin ngayon, maganda yung chance. Pero
Mm.
syempre, ang importante is yung preparation talaga. Kasi yung kalaban namin, mga nagpalakas din.
Mm-mm.
Hindi lang sa North, even dun sa South talagang nagpalakas din yung mga teams. Kaya kailangan talaga yung preparation, yung kiron para maprotekta namin yung championship.
Yeah, so obviously, Coach, 2 seasons as the head coach, no? I think it's safe to say, hindi kayo sanay matalo. By the record itself, right? My question is, how do you, because you went on an insane, what was that, 36, 38 game winning streak. Until nung
36.
natalo kayo nung itong 36, right? Until nung natalo kayo nitong May, right? Versus San Juan, yung former team ni Mike. So, yung question ko, yung 36 games, that's, I think 1 year yun halos, o more.
Yeah.
More.
If you include the preseason, parang 44.
44 with the
Yeah.
preseason
Yeah.
games, tama? So, ano ba ang mindset ni Coach Yong or anong mensahe niya in between nung 36, 44 kung isasama yung preseason? Mamaya, you can chime in dito, Mike. Kasi I'm sure minsan nauubusan ka na rin siguro ng sasabihin sa player, sa pre-game, sa post-game, sa practice. Paano mo ina-address nito, lalo na pag yung team mo nandun sa ibabaw to sustain that?
Sa akin, sa ensayo, lagi ko silang pinupush hanggang doon sa pinaka-max nila. And sabi ko nga sa kanila, kung gusto nyo akong magalit, mag-relax kayo. Pero
Which nangyari ba?
wala yung hindi pwede talaga eh. Sa akin kasi gusto ko yung maiksing practice lang pero quality.